I built this MacroPad timer from scratch, PCB design and everything, a couple months back, but I haven't found myself using it that much. And that's mainly due to my software being pretty much custom. And when I mean custom, I mean it's not the best. The Bluetooth is not the best. There is a slight delay when you press something on the MacroPad and it actually doing something on your computer. And to change the keybinds, you actually have to go into the code, change it in here, and reflash the board in order to have it on here and available to use. Which you can imagine makes it pretty tedious when you want to go between different applications and try out different keybinds. So I designed this, a hand soldered MacroPad using an RP2040 flash with QMK. And using QMK enables you to use things like VIA to actually reprogram the keys on your MacroPad without reflashing anything. Just as long as it's plugged in, you can change the keybinds. Yo, this cord is bugging. But as I was developing this and trying to make this an actual product, right, I found myself going in between a lot of different tabs, right? I go to Chrome, I find something, and I copy and paste it into the Obsidian. And then I go into KiCad, and there's just too much going on, right? A lot of taking notes and going back and forth on different applications. So I wanted to figure out a frictionless way to take my notes on any screen I was on. So I ended up starting a new project called Jaut. And Jaut is a frictionless note-taking window that allows you from anywhere on your computer to take a note. So without switching between tabs, you can go ahead and capture information, Jaut, save it, and have it ready to go ahead and tag it and merge it or whatever you need to do with it. It just makes it super easy to take notes. And of course, it's super simple to go ahead and go back and review your notes. Maybe you want to select a few, merge them together into a new note, right? You can use a little bit of AI if you want, right? Go ask it some questions, maybe generate it into a more organized note or whatever you want. But yeah, go ahead and check it out. Available at jautit.com. We're currently on version, I believe, 2.3.1. So it's still relatively new. I low-key messed up. It should low-key be like 0.2.1. But you learn. And if you have any issues, go ahead and go to report an issue and let me know, because I'm trying to create an application that makes taking notes and overall just making projects super, super easy to gather information and bring it to one place. So once it's all together, if you want to go ahead and compile it into a super organized backlinked file in Obsidian, you can do that, or keep it in here if you want. If you like the concept, just drop a comment, say I rock with it, and then I'll give you guys maybe a little sneak peek into the new update I got going on that's gonna make this app probably the fastest way to take your notes, like no lie.